Come test drive the 2018 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.